Take a moment. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to become. Just arrive here. This is your time. A pause from the noise. A return to yourself. Begin by noticing your breath. No need to change it. Just observe in and out. With every exhale, allow your body to soften. Shoulders relax. Jaw loosens. Thoughts slow down. You're safe to let go. The world can be loud. Expectations, worries, endless thoughts pulling you in every direction. But here, you don't have to carry any of that. Imagine setting down everything that weighs on you. Just for now, you can always pick it up later. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Rest is not idleness. It is nourishment for the soul. Beneath the roles you play, beneath the thoughts you think, there is a quieter place. A place that has always been whole, always calm, always enough. Relaxation is not something you achieve. It is something you allow. Let your awareness rest, like a leaf floating on water, effortless, light. If thoughts arise, let them pass, like clouds drifting across the sky. You do not need to follow them. Remember this feeling, this stillness. You can return to it anytime. Even in the middle of a busy day, one breath can bring you back. Be gentle with yourself. Rest when you need to, and carry this calm with you.